Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, what I'll be showing you again is what we have achieved in our main digital agency website. The speed that we have achieved. I think if we, based on the videos that we created, I think in June, created a video whereby we showed that this particular website, our digital agency website, is achieving B in GT metrics. But now we have achieved A. Okay, this is after the first thing is that sometime in September, if I'm not mistaken, September, Elegant Theme has made a lot of improvement on the theme, which has enabled it to be, to achieve a better speed and loading speed. So now, all those argument that says Divi theme is one of the slowest theme around, I think it's not really valid anymore. So, but then what we have done a couple of things also on the website to achieve this. So, among the things that let's do this test again. Let's do to confirm that we achieved A. Let's do it again. This is live. Okay. Uh, A performance is 9.98%, structure is 97%. So it's fast, although the LCP is 1.1 second, but it's still A compared to last time where we only achieved B. Last time we achieved B. Okay, so what we did was this is the latest performance. What we did was we actually installed a couple of plugins. Number one is AC JavaScript. We installed this plugin, and then we also installed this particular plugin actually, Jetpack Boost. We installed this plugin, okay, and we also installed WP Cache. This is the plugin that we installed. Also, since we are using Divi theme now, if you look at Divi, if you look at theme option now, look at theme option now. Okay, there is something called performance selection that we can do in our Divi theme option now. So if you look at performance option, actually we enable everything as per recommended by Divi. Okay, we enable everything. Okay, we have basically it's recommended by Divi to enable all the settings here so that it will speed up. Also, what we have done is that a couple of things which also enables. For example, we disable uh, Google Font subsets. We disable it, and that's about it. Okay, and what we found out also that uh, the particular website, one of the things that's contributing to this particular website being slow in loading is there was too much animation going on. Okay, there was animation going on. Let's see, this is running a bit slow now. We have animation on the images. We have animation on the some of the items. Now you have to wait. This is my browser problem here. Actually, sorry. So there used to be an animation here on this particular image, so we've eliminated that. There was an animation here, and a lot of animation we had. So we've actually removed all those animations from our homepage. So that's one of the main reasons. One of the other reasons that we found out that when you have a lot of animations, it create a lot of CSS code on your page. So when you remove all this animation is good actually. It makes your website looks much more beautiful. But actually, because of that, it will slow down your website. So I suggest that if we have animations on our website, I think we need to remove the animation first. Okay, that's about it. My video. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.